Namaste. Welcome to our new channel. It's about Nepal. Today we're at Durbar Square and we're going to take a walk, do a 360 walkabout, and I'll point out a few tips and talk to a few people, maybe buy something, and give you a few tips along the way, so when you get here you'll really know what you're doing when you go to Durbar Square in Kathmandu. So it's a lovely place, wonderful, long, very long history. So I hope you learn a few things, and I hope it makes your trip to Nepal a little bit easier. So come along with us as we explore Durbar Square in Kathmandu. The price for this UNESCO site, Hanuman Dhoka, or the Kathmandu Durbar Square, is 1,000 rupee for Westerners and 150 rupee for SAARC countries. If you think you might want to come back another day, just let them know when you buy your ticket and they can stamp it for you. This is only our second video on our new channel, and I know I made a few mistakes, so please bear with me, and I'll bring a longer pole and a better mic next time. I'm going to show you the toilet.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, namaste.
Namaste.
Oh, I don't think
This is chargeable for it.
Chargeable. How much is it? Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. How much is it?
It's 10 rupees.
10 rupees. Okay, not today. So there's lots of places to eat around here. And the Standard Chartered Bank there that I passed, that is the best place to get money use their ATM. Standard Charter will work most international cards that I see, from my experience. And this one you can get 25,000 rupee up to 100,000 in a day, and it's usually a 24-hour day. Okay, and so the maps, lots of maps for the tripping, and I don't see the price. I don't think it's more than $5. Oh, very nice. Is this handmade? Handmade or machine? Handmade. Oh, that's beautiful. It is. You can feel it. And how much are these maps?
This
Yeah.
490.
Oh, good. I thought I said under $5.
350, okay.
Oh, okay. No, I have my 360 camera. Yeah, I have a
I give you
YouTube.
300.
No. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow. Very nice. Oh, he already bought on this one. Huh? Okay, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get one.
Photo, please. No.
Oh, God. Here, wait. How much is it? How much?
10 rupees. 30. And you kati rupiah deke?
No, I have 20. I have
25.
25 there. And how much are these? Is how much?
25.
25. This, oh, right amount. Here, you take. Let me see. Well, no, I'm just looking today.
Really, very good price. Earring, madam. Earring. Good
Earring?
price. Yes. Very good price.
You know, this cloth, what is that made of?
This is made of thick.
No, this here.
No, this is a cotton.
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 Oh,
We have a price with this one here.
I was thinking,
This is
how much?
This one?
Yeah, how much is that?
This is just 2,500 rupees because this is all made by hand.
Yeah.
And it is traditional from the behind the Hanuman Dhoka. So lots of people they make. So one hanging.
Yeah.
What do you like?
And you can put a rechargeable battery in.
Yeah.
Some of them they say you can't put rechargeable.
Yeah, you can.
Let me see. And this is what? Is this a stone or is this plastic?
It's mixed amber, black amber mixed with stone,
Oh, it's a real stone?
Yes. This one. Okay. This is bone one. That's a yak bone.
Yak bone,
Yeah.
really? Oh, very interesting.
Okay, you are a YouTuber, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, I give present for you.
Oh, no, no.
No, I give present. When you see me after, and you get okay, I give
Oh,
you
how
present.
sweet. Oh, thank you. Really? No charge?
No,
Oh, thank you. Well, this is the tourist police department. If you have any problems, we're in Durbar Square. You just come here and they will take good care of you. You just tell them what's wrong, bring your passport, and that's the problem. But anyway, very kind, very helpful. Is Kumari going to come out today
She
to the
didn't
window?
come out, but you can go inside. Huh?
Oh, okay. They were saying I can't.
I'm a local tour guide here.
Oh, uh-huh.
I've been working for 29 years in here, and we explain the intricate things, okay, which are not known by any ambassador or been living for 30 years. They don't know as well, okay?
Yeah.
Built by one single tree in 12th century, has been destroyed by the earthquake. Yes, ma'am. And you see the temple has been destroyed by the earthquake as well. As a nickname, we call it Hippie Temple.
Hippie Temple.
The real name is Dhoka.
Uh-huh.
Okay? It's a temple of Shiva.
Uh-huh.
Okay? But in nickname, we call Hippie Temple.
Oh, that's why, because it's Shiva Temple. Everybody's smoking.
We call Hanuman Dhoka. Hanuman is the statue, the god we call Hanuman, and Dhoka means a gate. So it's a Hanuman gate, main entrance for the all royal family.
Now, is this where the museum, they would go to the museum?
This museum,
before?
yes, but today it's closed.
Right.
So not sure when they're gonna open,
Yeah.
but you can just see from here. You can
Okay.
go until here.
Oh,
and
very
watch,
nice.
watch it.
Okay. And so we can get to the museum?
Yes, when ordinary time you can go to the museum.
And how much is the museum charge?
Well, it's a 1,000 rupees for a ticket.
For the main
Durbar
ticket?
Square and museum includes together.
Oh, and it includes the museum?
Yes,
Okay.
ticket includes
And
together.
I've never asked that question. Oh, look at this.
That's a Narsinga.
Huh?
Narsinga is a god, Narsinga. It's reincarnation of Vishnu, okay?
Oh.
Vishnu have a 10 reincarnation. Among that is called Narsinga.
Huh.
And this is a Gorkha soldier. You heard about a Gorkha soldier.
Uh-huh.
They are toughest fighter of the world.
Yes, I know.
The British still hiding as a Gorkha, British Gorkha regiments.
Uh-huh.
Okay, the Elizabeth will have personal care. That's our soldier. Almost
Oh,
near
very
Elizabeth.
nice. Uh-huh.
I hope you're enjoying the video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe.
lion is a vehicle of wife of Shiva Kali, okay?
Oh.
Now, the horse transportation is lion.
Oh.
So every god and goddesses have their own vehicle. They
Yeah.
use as animal or the birds.
Yeah.
So this is the temple where we choose living goddess as well.
Oh.
Inside the dark
Oh,
room. we
this
put-
is where
this
she
is the
goes.
place, yes.
Wow.
And this temple is open once a year. As of October, we have the Sai festival, the Sahara. And it's open for public for 1 day.
Oh. But not for me.
No, not for foreigner. And it's built in 15th century as well, 1564 AD.
Wow.
And this is a banyan tree. It's
Yes.
a banyan tree. Buddha meditated in the same type of tree under and got enlightened
Yeah.
in Lumbini.
Yeah.
In Bodh Gaya.
Right. I've been there. I've been
Okay,
to
you
the
been-
tree.
Oh, yes, in Bodh Gaya.
It's by Khajuraho.
That's almost 300 years old.
Really, 300-year-old. Yeah, these things, I just want to crawl in there and all the... I wonder if, oh, I can't do this because I have it.
So this is a small Pashupatinath.
If you haven't purchased your travel insurance yet, be sure to check out our affiliate link in the description.
Please, 50 rupees.
Huh?
50 rupees, Dana.
No.
Please.
Oh, no, not today. No, no, not today.
Very hungry, Bani Rasa Pari.
I know people that are a lot hungrier than me,
So on the card is my name and my email address, everything, okay? Hotmail,
Okay.
Yahoo, anybody interested.
Yeah.
And then we give them briefing of Nepal, our Buddhism. I also explain our Buddhism, but we have our time, so I will take it.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.